Oppo announced ColorOS 15. It's Android 15 based skin. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Oppo ColorOS 15 features an updated look with new icons, dynamic lighting effects, natural light, and shadow eliminates across the UI. The new Aurora and Tidal engine brings system level renderings allowing you to run app animations in parallel so you can have responsive and lag free animation when quickly switching between apps. The system features new motion effects with consistently smooth animations and several system level optimizations that lead to an 18% improvement in app and 26% faster app installation process. Oppo is also bringing a system level dynamic cache allocation that manages resources in real time and ensures fidelity during operation. Oppo has finally caved and separated the notification chat from the control center. AI plays a big part in ColorOS 15. The company's Yahoo assistant can be summoned and users can have natural conversations with continuous content aware queries. There's a circle to search option too much works on any screen. Oppo is also bringing overhauled AI image processing with one touch person and reflection removal, blur removal for portraits, and a clever image upscaling feature. Live photos now support electronic image stabilization. That's all for now and thanks for watching.